We'll guide you through how to make halftone transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Once the project is ready, go to the edit page to start editing your video. Import your clips into the media pool so they are available for use in the project. After importing, drag the clips onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. Make sure the clips are positioned properly and aligned correctly before creating the transition. Next, open the effects panel and locate the adjustment clip. Drag the adjustment clip onto the timeline above the area where you want the transition to appear. With the adjustment clip selected, go to the Fusion page to build the effect. Add a background node and an ellipse node to the node editor. Then add a merge node so the elements can be combined together. Select the background node and change its color to white. After that, return to the ellipse node and increase the soft edge value until the shape fades smoothly around its edges. Duplicate the ellipse node 6 times to create multiple circular shapes. Reposition each ellipse and place them in different areas of the frame, including the corners, so the pattern covers a larger portion of the screen. If 6 ellipses seem like too many for your design, remove one to simplify the effect. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, combine all the ellipse nodes into a single group. Add a transform node after the group and change the edges setting to mirror. Then reduce the size value to make the pattern as small as possible, creating a denser halftone appearance. In a merge node, change the apply mode to color dodge to blend the effect more effectively. Next, add a color corrector node and adjust the color settings to achieve the visual style you want. After completing the fusion work, return to the edit page and add a small transition if needed to improve the flow between clips. Preview the result several times to ensure the animation looks smooth and the effect appears as intended. When everything is finished and you're satisfied with the final look, export the completed video using your preferred render settings.